Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you top 5 ways to promote JVZoo products. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And at the end of this video, I will show you how can I make these $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. So guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will show you top 5 ways to promote JVZoo products, and you can make over 1000 per day by applying those ways. And I will show you step by step everything, all these top 5 ways, and I also show you how ways and which ways I use to make my JVZoo commission. So guys, I will show you step by step everything. So stay tuned with this video and complete this video A to Z. So at first you have to sign up free JVZoo account, and you see here sign up for free. So put your name, email address, password, confirm password, your country, and click here, then register. It's so easy and so much simple. Just on 1 minute or less than 1 minute needed to join this audio plus this JVZoo marketplace. Now after joining here, you have to find your product for promoting. So you see here this affiliate section and find products. You see here all the top products here inside JVZoo, and you will see here request approval, request approval, request approval. For promoting this product, you have to request this request approval. Just click here and request approval for promoting this product. Or if you want to promote a new product or upcoming products, then you will see this website mansai.com, and you will get all the latest product or latest launch update here, and you will get all the product for upcoming launches, and you can choose any of this product. And suppose you want to promote this product, then go here and you see here the JV page or the joint venture page. Go here and you see here JVZoo affiliate link. Just click here and you see here your affiliate request note. Then click here I am not robot, then send approval, request approval. That's it. So after getting approval, the main part is traffic. If you have traffic, then you are the king in online marketing, and if you don't have traffic, then you are nothing in the online marketing. But at first I want to say all these 5 ways need takes time to grow. um, if you want immediate success, if you want overnight success within 24 hours, within 1 week, then it's not possible. You have to grow all these traffic sources, and I personally use these two ways for promoting my JVZoo products. And I will show you all these 5 ways, but you have to grow it day by day gradually. But if you want overnight success or overnight traffic, then it's not possible. I don't show you any bulky software or bulky method that will promise get results within 10 minutes, within 1 click. It's not possible. No software or no method can do it. You have to grow your traffic with the right way. So see all these 5 methods here. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you have any question about this method or affiliate marketing, then comment in the comment box. Now, way number on. It's product review. In case of product review, you have to review all these good points, all these bad points about this product. So a lot of people search this review before buying the software of this product. So product review is one of the best way to promote JVZoo products. You see here, suppose it's the just launched product, my traffic jacker 2.0. My, you see here, it's the my traffic jacker 2.0 review. You see a lot of people review this product. You see here, you see here, you see here, a lot of people review this product, and it's one of the best way. I personally like this way, and it's the most converting way to promote JVZoo products. Now, way number 2, it's YouTube review. At the same way, you can review this product in YouTube, and you see here, search it, you see here, 4 days ago, 1 month ago, 2 days ago, 1 day ago, 2 weeks ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, a lot of people working here, a lot of people working here. So you can review, video review for this product, and you will get a lot of traffic from it. Within these 4 days, it gets 340 views. Within 2 days, 878 views. 1 day 14 views, 2 days 28 views, 1 day 160 views. And you see here, in case of JVZoo, you don't need so much traffic to get sales. You see 4 visitor, 9 clicks, and I get this 7 sales. So you don't need too much view or too much traffic to get JVZoo sales. And for this product review or YouTube review, you can get all this source here. You see here, you see the JV page, and you see all the info about this product. So you can grab all this caching thing, all this converting elements from this JV page, and you can post here to your review site, or you can make review videos for this product. Now way number 3, it's Google Ad. Google Ad is one of the another organic traffic sources and converting traffic sources for promoting JVZoo products. And you see here is the ads. So you have to invest money for these ways. So if you want to run Google Ads, or if you want to run Google Ad campaign, then you have to budget 30 to 40 per day if you want to promote JVZoo products. So if you if you are able to budget this 30 or 40 per day, then you can choose this way, Google Ads. And now you can think, you can say, I have no website, or how can I post in for Google Ads? It doesn't matter. You can use this site Google site. You see here site. You see here site Google. It's one of the part of Google, and you can apply. You can post your advertisement post for inside this Google's site Google's, and you can easily get approval for running your ads in front of Google, and you will get a lot of traffic. So you have to budget 30 or 40 per test. Now way number 4, it's Facebook group or Facebook page. You have to grow your Facebook page or Facebook group, and it's not possible to grow in overnight. You have to step by step, day by day, you have to grow your Facebook page or your Facebook group. Then if you can grow it once, then you will get a lot of traffic for a lifetime. Now way number 5, it's email marketing. It's another way, another popular way for promoting JVZoo products. But in case of email marketing, you need targeted super converting emails. If you think I will buy 100 or 200 mail from various mail buying and selling sites, and then it's not possible. You have to grow your buyer mail list using your YouTube traffic, or you can grow it from Facebook, then your website. Then you can start email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most and popular marketing, and you will get 60% conversion if you can use email marketing. So guys, all these 5 ways are the best ways to promote JVZoo products. Now I will show my 2 ways that can I promote by these 2 ways. I promote JVZoo products and make this commission, and I will show you my 2 ways. So way number 1, and it's product review. Here is my review website. You see here. You see here is my review website, and I post review all the products, all the upcoming products of JVZoo. and you see here is this my traffic jacker 2.0, and if I search, you see here is my website review with Raju, and here is my review, here is my image of this product. So my number one way product review, and another way is Facebook page. You see here is my Facebook page, and I am posting here. You see here 5 hours ago, just 5 hours ago I just post here. Here is my engagement and these people, and I will get a lot of traffic from here. So guys, if this video help you to start your JVZoo marketing and JVZoo affiliate marketing, then thumbs up this video, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your questions. And all these 5 methods are proven and tested method for all the big marketers, all the big earners apply all these 5 methods. So you have to grow it day by day gradually. But if you want overnight success within 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, then it's not possible. You have to grow it day by day. Now you see here it's Legendary Marketer, an high ticket training program, an educational training program for online marketing. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then Legendary Marketer will help you. Or if you are an 2 or 3 years experienced marketer or an experienced marketer and you want to long run your online journey for successfully, then you can choose Legendary Marketer. It's one of the best training program, the best business model at the present time. I am a member of Legendary Marketer and an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer teaches very marketing strategies, traffic strategies, and I am making $1,000 by the grace of Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer teaches me how to increase my sales, how to increase my income by various traffic strategies, marketing strategies. So if you want to make big money and long run your online journey, then join Legendary Marketer, and it's for 7. After joining this Legendary Marketer, you will get all these 15 days business challenge. You see here all these 15 days business challenge. A coach will be appointed for you and he will solve all of your problems. And you see here it's an high ticket training program, and I am making, you see 18,000 high ticket sales inside this Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches me how to get these high ticket sales. So if you want to make big money, then join Legendary Marketer. It's the best online educational training program for anyone. So guys, don't be hurry, step by step, gradually grow all these traffic sources for promoting JVZoo products. You don't need to follow all these 5 ways. You can follow 1 or 2 or 3 ways, then that's enough to get big money from JVZoo products. So guys, if this video helped you, then thumbs up this video, share this video for the others, and if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, and if you want to long run your affiliate marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. So guys, take action, get results. Best of luck. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.